Hey everyone, you might have noticed something strange. Every single video on this channel is gone, and no, it is not a glitch. I deleted them. There is a very real reason why, and this is a new beginning. Welcome to CZR Studio. I started this channel way back in 2018, August 24, filled with dreams, ideas, and excitement to share arts, game, 3D animation, and creative project with the world. But here is the truth. Over the years, I tried to make so many videos and started so many projects, but I didn't finish most of them. Life happened, personal stuff came in a way, and honestly, that hurt the channel. It wasn't fair to you, the viewers. You deserve something better than half-finished project and random uploads. So I made a decision. From now on, CZR Studio is all about finished, polished, and high-quality content. Whether it's a game development, 3D animation, VFX, or behind-the-scene process, you will only see completed, valuable work on this channel. No more dropping off halfway, no more in-progress upload with no follow-ups. Only real finished art start to end. So what can you expect? Full game design breakdown, behind the scenes of 3D animation project showcases from idea to final result, tools, workflow, tips for fellow digital creator, all of it. From studio to your screen, done and dusted. This is the new, true beginning of CZR Studio. If you have been here before, thank you for sticking around. And if you are new, hit subscribe, join me on the real, raw, creative journey. CZR Studio back and better than ever.